What's the meaning of anchovy? Anchovy. 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 Anchovy.
Anchovy is a small, oily fish. It is commonly used as a flavoring ingredient in dishes and also can be eaten as a snack. The taste of anchovies is often described as salty, briny, and pungent. They are typically sold canned, salted, or in paste form. Anchovies are commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine, especially in Italy and Spain. They are also frequently used as a pizza topping and in Caesar salad dressing. Overall, anchovies are a versatile and flavorful ingredient that are enjoyed by many.